We now move to advanced search. First, you click on advanced search. Advanced search enables you to use the connector, this one. There will be and or not connector. These three connectors actually helps you to, for and, it will specify your searching. Okay, for or, it will give you the broad result, and for not, it will give you the result of the first searching, not the second searching. And then for publication year also here, you can straight away limit your publication year. Let's say you want to move this cursor, you can just use it, or maybe you want to just type. Okay, you can just type. Let's say we want to search in the period of 2018 up until this year to 2020. Okay, and then now we put the search term. We use this example, nanotechnology in water and wastewater, but for this time I don't want to put it here, I want to put it here. I remove the N because the N is already provided here. Alright, and then what you have to do is you click search. Let's make the comparison. Okay, if you still remember, just now we do the basic search. You already got 23 result list for nanotechnology in water and wastewater. But for this one, after we do the searching by using advanced search, you only got 3 results. So it is very specific and it is very small list of results. So out of these 3 results, okay, you can see here the year of publication is ranging started from 2018 up until 2019. 2020 there is no publication for this year. Okay, so you can just click further and then browse again, see what's the abstract is all about, and then if you think that the article is related to your search, you can just save. Okay, and then use the cite this button just now to get the citation straight away.